In today's video, 8K drone. I doubt that it's 8K, but that's what it says on the sticker. There's no external box, just a pouch and the sticker. In the box you will find propellers, two HDMI to micro HDMI cables, screwdriver and some screws, sensor to mount it on the device, controller, which has a built-in battery and holder for the smartphone. I think it maybe it has a built-in battery because I don't see any battery hole, just micro USB. I'm not sure who's using micro USB anymore. The battery is 3000 mAh for the drone itself. Put on the back. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. This one has a gyro and a sticker on it, so we can remove it. The device feels very stable, but there was no wind, pretty good weather. Let me try the maximum speed, and there you go. Fairly quick. Camera quality, not impressed. It doesn't matter what you buy, 8K or 4K on AliExpress, it will still be, like you can see, well, that's not even a full HD, I guess. Maybe 720p or even less. So you'll be just better off mounting the dedicated GoPro for drones. There are some GoPros which are super light for drones, like I said, and you will get great quality. This is a maximum height. It's like 7th floor in the building, 7th floor. Okay, high wind. Is it going to struggle? Okay, high wind. It's windy. Look at the leaves on the leaves. Struggling a little bit, but still holding the same place, which is cool, I guess. Not super windy, it's windy. And the landing button isn't going to miss. It missed a little bit at landing. It was quite a harsh landing, but that's okay. It's a very inexpensive drone. So there you go. Instead of buying an expensive drone lessons, buy yourself a $100 drone and learn how to fly by itself. If you crash it, $100, not a big deal. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.